2. You owe it to you to stop breaking promises to yourself. Every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," "I'll do it next week," "I'll get serious one day," a part of you loses trust in you. And that's dangerous. Because when you don't trust yourself, discipline disappears. Confidence disappears. Momentum disappears. Momentum disappears. 2026 is about rebuilding that trust by doing what you said you would. Do, especially on the days you don't feel like it. You owe it to you to stop waiting for motivation and start living by standards. Motivation is emotional. Standards are non-negotiable. Motivation comes and goes. Standards stay. You don't wait to feel ready to work. You work because that's who you decided to be. You show up tired. You show up uncertain. You show up scared. Because consistency beats talent when talent refuses to be consistent. You owe it to you to stop letting your past define the ceiling of your future. Yes, things happened. Yes, you made mistakes. Yes, people failed you. But none of that disqualifies you from becoming better. The past is information, not a prison. Learn from it, then leave it behind. Carry the lesson, not the weight. 2026 is not the year you keep explaining your pain, it's the year you outgrow it. You owe it to you to stop shrinking so other people feel comfortable. Stop dimming your light because someone else is insecure. Stop blurring your goals because someone else doesn't understand your vision. They don't have to see it. They don't have to believe it. They don't have to support it. 2. This is your life, your calling, your responsibility. And the price of living for everyone else is always paid by you. You owe it to you to master the basics, waking up with purpose, controlling your time, protecting your energy, guarding your focus. Not everything needs your reaction. Not everyone deserves your access. Distraction is the enemy of destiny, and discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Every hour you waste is an hour you never get back. Every focused hour compounds. You owe it to you to choose growth over comfort. Comfort will keep you average. Comfort will keep you stuck. Growth will demand sacrifice. Growth will demand patience. Growth will demand that you become someone you've never been before. That's uncomfortable. That's lonely. That's hard. But comfort has a cost, the cost of regret. And regret is heavier than discipline. You owe it to you to stop negotiating with weakness. Stop listening to the voice that tells you to quit early, slow down, or take the easy way out. That voice isn't protecting you, it's limiting you. Strengths is built when you do the hard thing repeatedly. Confidence is built when you keep showing up after failure. Identity is built when your actions line up with your goals. You owe it to you to respect your own potential. Potential is useless without execution. Dreams don't work unless you do. Wishing doesn't change reality. Action does. Small actions, done daily, when nobody's clapping, when nobody's posting, when nobody's praising, those are the actions that change everything over time. You owe it to you to become disciplined enough to delay pleasure for progress. To say no to what feels good now so you can say yes to what matters later. To choose long-term fulfillment over short-term comfort. To invest in your mind, your body, your skills, your habits. Because the version of you want to become is built in private, one decision at a time. You owe it to you in 2026 to stop surviving and start building. To stop reacting and start leading your own life. To wake up every day with intention, not excuses. To take responsibility, not blame. To move with urgency, but patience. To demand more from yourself than anyone else ever will. One day, you're going to look back at 2026 and realize it was the year everything changed. Not because life got easier, But because you got stronger. Because you chose yourself. Because you kept going when it hurt. Because you finally honored the promises you made to yourself. And when that moment comes, you won't regret the effort to LLB, grateful you didn't give up on you.